In this particular video, we will look into the details of epidermal appendages, which are a part of epidermal tissue system, and some part of next tissue system, that is ground tissue system. Talking about epidermal tissue system, it has three parts. The first part is epidermis. The second part is stomata. Both of these parts were covered in earlier videos, and we are looking into the third part, that is the epidermal appendages. Epidermal appendages are the appendages which are present on the epidermis, and these can be in the form of hairs or outgrowths. Epidermal appendages are of two types. The first type of epidermal appendage is called as trichomes, and the second type is called as root hairs. Difference between trichomes and root hairs is that trichomes are the epidermal hairs on stem, and as the name says, epidermal hairs on roots are called as root hairs. Structure is different. These trichomes are usually multicellular structures. Sometimes these can be unicellular, but if we talk about these root hairs are the unicellular elongations. Now these trichomes, there can be trichomes which are branched or unbranched. These can be soft or stiff as well. At times these can be secretory. Talking of the function of trichomes, these help in preventing water loss due to transpiration. Similarly, talking of the function of root hairs, so function of root hairs is that it helps in the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. After completion of all the three parts of epidermal tissue system, we come to the next tissue system, that is ground tissue system. Ground tissue system can also be called as fundamental tissue system. We can say that all the tissues that are not included in epidermal tissue system and vascular tissue system, those all tissues come in ground or fundamental tissue system. It is the type of tissue system that forms the main bulk of plant. Now, this tissue system will be formed of some plant tissues. So, there are three simple tissues which form this ground tissue system. The three tissues are parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. The point to be remembered here is that if we talk about epidermal tissue system, then mostly the cells were parenchyma, but in the case of ground tissue system, it is parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma as well.